Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah and our walkthrough Wednesday. Today I'm going to give you a tour of this 28-foot rear bed, queen bed, International. Just so you know that you can get this same floor plan in a Flying Cloud model, and the Pottery Barn edition of Airstream, the special edition Pottery Barn, is the exact same floor plan layout. Join me. As usual, I'm going to give you the data about this rig. It is 28 feet long. It's a 28RB. It's 8 feet 5.5 inches wide outside, 8 feet 1 inches wide inside. It's 9 feet 9 inches tall outside, 6 feet 7.5 inches tall inside. It has a hitch weight of 875 pounds. It is an empty weight of 6,100 pounds and a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,600 pounds, giving you a 1,500 pound cargo carrying capacity. You have a 37-gallon freshwater tank, 34 gray and 34 black tanks. It has a 15,000 BTU ducted air conditioned / heat pump up top, and if you get the optional second AC, it would be a 13,500 BTU air conditioned and heat pump in the rear. It has a 30,000 BTU ducted furnace, gas furnace, has an 8 cubic foot refrigerator, all electric. There are 21 skylights and windows in this rig, which is amazing. The queen bed version is a 60-inch wide by 75-inch long mattress. If you get the twin version of this, it's a 34-inch wide and 80-inch long mattress. The dinette, which is over here to your right as you're looking at the screen, it's a dinette seat, booth seat, but it turns into a bed that would be 42 inches by 76 inches. You can sleep up to 6 in this rig. Let's go check out the rest. Standing here in the kitchen, I have my sink here, so it has a sink cover on it and has this very nice Moen faucet that is retractable here. All of your controls for your freshwater tank, plumbing system, inverter, and your water heater are right there on the wall, easily controllable, next to these two giant windows. You have cabinetry down here, and that side over there is your trash can and extra storage space, and this side is your silverware drawer and another deeper drawer. And you have a nice little spot up here that would be a great spot to put various pans. This is your Furrion 3-burner cooktop with a nice grate across the top. This model came with the standard gas oven down below. If you were to upgrade to the convection oven microwave, it would replace this and be in this exact same spot. Here's your fan and light, your range hood oven fan and light. One thing they've done for this model I really like is this spice rack over here on the wall. So it's a recessed spice rack right here by where you're cooking, which is exceptional. Up above, you have your translucent plexiglass windows into your storage cabinets up top, which is in the International model's backlit. Here's your 8 cubic foot all electric nor cold refrigerator. So the freezer is up top, the refrigerator is down below, and it's exceptionally spacious. All your controls for it are right here. You do have another, what I like to refer to as a spice rack up here. It's not very deep, but you can put some various glasses and things up there, or spices. Here, seated in the dinette, this is a wonderful space. I like how the table connects to the wall here. You have these two giant windows along with these two giant skylights up top that let in plenty of light and give you a nice view of your curbside over here or any patio space. When you put the awning out, you can sit here and look outside your windows. Both of these giant windows open up completely, should you choose to do that. I can't open that one right now because the outside door is open, but it would open if the door is shut. Lets in plenty of air. Your front window opens like this. There's a window over there by the couch that opens like this. Your rear bedroom window opens, and the ones on both sides of the bedroom open. So it'll allow plenty of breeze to blow through here. Right now I'm going to drop this table down to the bed version of it so you can see how that sets up. It's very, very easy. And just like that, the bed is made. I'm 5'9" and I have plenty of space here, and it's quite comfortable. Last is you have this nice flat screen TV here that's viewable from anywhere, sitting in this kitchen slash living space. One other item of note for your dinette is underneath both bench seating you have a pull-out storage bin, and that's under both seats. Similarly, underneath your front couch you have 3 storage bins that fit nicely under here. Now I'm going to show you how to turn this front seating area into a bed as well. It's that easy, and you're hanging out here in this giant lounge area to watch movies, have fun. The whole family can fit up here on the couch. It's a very spacious area and quite comfortable. Something Airstream did extremely well, in my opinion, is back here behind the couch on this nice shelf is they have a door that opens up, and it's a 18 to 20 inches deep storage compartment. And it's great for blankets or pillows or whatever you might need to grab and go. Up above your couch you have the translucent plexiglass sliding windows. If this were to be a flying cloud version, it would be the hinged doors that open up. All international models have the sliding door. This one is a 2022, so it still has a DVD box up here, but the new versions would not come with this. Standing here in the little hallway slash bathroom area, you can close a curtain right here, and it closes on the front side of this closet door. Your bathroom door swivels all the way open, and you have another curtain back here behind the shower part that will close. So in effect, you make this a third room. So you can use your shower, walk straight across the hall into the bathroom, or bathroom and walk straight across the hall into the shower, making your own space. But what they've done for this year model is they put a mirror on the front of this closet door here, so it's very nice. And then the closet door hangs open, have a very nice hanging space, plenty of space above the hanging space, and have a little bit of storage down below. From the 25 to the 30, Flying Cloud, International, and Globetrotter, the shower stall is almost the exact same size. So I'm standing halfway in the bathroom and halfway in the hallway. You can see this door is open. The front of the rig is that way. This bathroom is very spacious. You have quite a bit of counter space here, but I love what they've done with this mirror on this wall, and then your mirror here that raises open. It has storage underneath the sink, and you have 2 sliding storage doors here. Again, you have a nice mirror here for standing in front of your sink, and then you have this mirror that opens up into some storage space here along with the shelf. Welcome to the bedroom. So you're looking from the hallway right beside the bathroom back here to the bedroom. So you can see your nice window back here. You have nice windows on both sides of the bed. One side is an escape window. The other side is a little bit more narrow. On this wall adjacent to the shower is where your bedroom TV is, and it's on a swivel. That wall is just a blank wall, so you can hang photos and things up there. In the 2022 and older models of the rear bed like this, they had the floor-to-ceiling closets like you see. In the Pottery Barn, it just has a table here, like a nightstand table, and the top is open so you have the wraparound windows. If you ordered this today, it would come as a 2023, and the top half of this closet would not be here. But this is a 2022 year model, so it still has the upper closet and the lower storage compartment on both sides of the bed. There is storage underneath the bed. You can access it via the side over here, and there's a flip down panel in the middle. But this space is very nice, and then you have your upper cabinet storage. Again, you can get this in a rear bed twin bed, so both the twin beds will be right there, and you have the same kind of storage up top. That's the interior side of the 28 Rear Bed International. Once again, you can get this same floor plan in a Flying Cloud, and the Pottery Barn is modeled off of the same size floor plan. So I'm standing out here outside. You can see the back of the rig, and you can see the nice awning. All Pottery Barn editions of this and International, the awning package is back here. So the rear awning and this side awning come included. If you get a Flying Cloud, it's a factory option. You can order extra. Back here behind the rear bed, you can see that you have a storage compartment back there that opens up and goes under the rear bed, and you have your bumper storage. On this side is your dump station, your power hookup, your water heater, your outside shower, outside water fill station, and all the things you're going to need are on this side of the rig. You see you have minimal windows because your kitchen's on this side and the shower's on this side. We'll go see the other side where you have many more windows. So this is your curbside. So you put the big awning out here on the International and the Pottery Barn 28 rear bed. It would be an automatic awning, so push button. In the Flying Cloud, it is a manual awning. Very simple to use though. So you have your two giant windows here beside your dinette, and then back there in the back you have your bedroom window, and then you have a window by your door. If you'd like to see this model in person, or any model we have in person, please stop by and check us out. Check us out on the website. We have all these models listed on our website. If you have any questions, please let us know. Give us a call, send us a text message or an email, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to meet you in person and show you around. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.